Wow, Jim, this crowd is going berserk.
And with good reason, Don. In a few short moments, this rink is going to erupt with hockey excitement, and I know I can't wait. Brunette shoots the puck. Detroit takes it. Shanahan. Iserman. Yager gets shoved. Shoots. Blocked. Shoots the puck from the right. Fernandez hangs on for the whistle.
Underprivileged children have been given the opportunity to see their heroes live from our Tickets for Kids luxury box. Thank you.
Ferguson shoots it quickly. Saved by Fernandez. Walls got the puck. Shoved. Fires. Joseph turned the shot away. Maltby jumps on the loose puck. Walls. Backhand. Minnesota with it now. Shatan. Oates grabs it. Minnesota in control now. Brewer. Fedorov got it. Solani returns it. Fedorov misses the net. Perreault takes control of the puck. Gaborik. With a wrist shot, stoned by Joseph.
They keep sending them in, and he keeps sending them out.
Fires it, blocked. Sakarash, hammered. Perreault with the puck. He gets leveled. Schultz jumps on the loose puck. Solani gets the pass from Joseph Robitaille. Iserman grabbed the puck. QB. Chelios shoulders him.
In Spanish, I believe those are referred to as El Cruncho Grande hits.
Brown shoots the puck from the right. Shanahan. Lidstrom moved it. Iserman. Shanahan shoots it. Brown takes over. Fernandez hangs on for the whistle. Oates wins the draw. Ferentz shoots the puck. Detroit picks it up. Shatan fires it. Missed the net. Walls. Uh-oh, we've got a little altercation on the go.
And I don't think this one's going to be settled through arbitration. Showing some muscle in the tussle.
Donna Kelly. Bonin had the puck. Mowed down.
He is to big hits what Einstein was to smart guys with weird hair.
Walls breaks away. Door slammed shut by Joseph.
He has the saves that make the world go round and the puck stay out.
Yager. Breakaway. Shanahan shoots. Fernandez freezes the puck. Ferguson corrals it. Shoots. Saved by Fernandez.
He roams around the crease with the greatest of ease.
Fernandez freezes the puck. Zoltak. Damikelli takes it. Zoltak grabbed it. Taken out.
Stopped him like an autumn grape.
QB shoots the puck. Detroit gets it. Brewer. Maltby goes offside and the play is stopped. Yager. One-timer from the left.
In the first period.
You know, if you're going to shoot wide, you may as well not shoot at all.
Put the first period in the books. Detroit looking a tie game in the face.
Well, if they look at firing a puck in the net, things could really work out for them, Jim.
Once the glass is replaced, the game will continue.
Hi, and welcome back to the Hockey Mayhem. Let's get on with it.
Fedorov won the faceoff. Solani. Fedorov takes possession of the puck. Blocked. Fernandez with a tremendous save. Solani. Robitaille jumps on the loose puck. Solani ripped it. Fedorov stops the shot. Fernandez hangs on for the whistle. Iserman wins the draw. Shoots the puck. Roost gets in the way. Fernandez freezes the puck. Marchment now with it. Hard shot.
Sadly, the whole missing the net thing rendered that shot pretty much useless.
Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Hecht takes control of the puck. Walls, wrist shot, he scores!
With some power and some glory, that goal tells the story.
And you can see the confusion on those faces.
That's some nice work by the animation department.
You bet. Donna Kelly gets checked.
That hit was A, stupendous, B, tremendous, or C, horrendous.
Solani grabs the puck. Delayed penalty coming up for Minnesota. Solani scoops up the loose puck. We have a penalty called. A penalty has been called. Marshall will get the gate for elbowing.
Yeah, so he has to go to the penalty box for a while. Most fans would pay good money to sit in that seat.
Minnesota will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Like you, Don.
Not that smart, Jim.
Yager fires! Fernandez stoned him! Marshall has done his penalty time, and that means his team is no longer down a man. Lidstrom. Yager blocked. Schultz with the puck. Walls. Detroit puts its checking line out. He takes control of the puck. Stewart
through his legs and back onto his stick. Oh, look at Mr. Fancy Pants.
Yager got the puck. Yzerman has it. Mowed down. Benisic takes possession of the puck. Ference shoves. Stewart. Hecht grabs the puck. Ference now with it. He gets laid out. Herbers scoops up the loose puck. Stewart. He gets pushed. Zoltok intercepts the pass. Oh, he missed. Marshall jumps on the loose puck. Detroit puts its second line out. Solani slaps it. The door is shut by Fernandez.
Not in my net. Not just then, anyway.
Delayed penalty coming up. Minnesota now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
The Red Wings go offside.
Minute major for Gordon.
Fedorov won the faceoff. Fedorov! Fernandez closed the door.
The bigger the save, the harder they fall.
Robitaille takes possession of the puck. Cranks one. Joseph with a brilliant save.
There's no question. Instincts count in this kind of game.
Off the post. Marchment grabs the puck. Brewer gets hit. Fedorov gets the puck. Fedorov cranks it. Fernandez made the save.
Ah, yes, between periods. My Pee-wee coach told me that's when I played my best hockey.
You can at our upcoming family carnival. Tickets are available at the box office.
Oh, yeah, I'm looking forward to this period.
It should be good hockey.
Plus, my custom-ordered 15-foot-long hoagie is supposed to show up.
Brunette ripped it. Stoned cold by Joseph.
Here's a hint, guys. They're shorthanded, not you.
Lidstrom shoots the puck from the left. Detroit takes it. Brunette. QB gets it. Minnesota scoops it up. Walls now has it. QB gets checked.
Well, at least he doesn't have to wonder anymore what it'd feel like to be hit by a bulldozer.
Shoots the puck. Saved by Fernandez.
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me.
Shanahan knocks him off the puck.
The message he sent was one massive missive.
Yzerman fires it hard. Fernandez stones him cold. Fernandez hangs on for the whistle. Fedorov wins the draw. Brewer shoots it.
Unfortunately, because he missed the net, I'm going to have to add a penalty stroke.
Robitaille fires it. Robitaille scores.
Did you you see the way the puck curves slightly on its way to the net? That's how you can tell which hemisphere we're in.
Detroit has fought his way back into this game.
You know, I've been watching this team all night, and I've got to tell you, they play hockey like the fry cook on the night shift at the burger place.
Fast and furious?
You betcha.
Sholtok. Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Brown runs over Yzerman.
That was okay, I suppose.
Kelly. That's
Ever
icing.
wonder what the inside of the home team's dressing room looks like, or where the players work out? Next Thursday's open house.
Grattan won the faceoff. Ferguson shoots the puck. Walls. Stewart with a one-timer. Scores upstairs.
That flight path was the right path. Jim, I'll reenact that one-timer goal with these little finger puppets.
Pass it here.
Oh, look at me shoot.
Hey, Jim, you're not watching. Jim!
And their focus just went from winning to tying it up.
Hey, at least they're setting goals. That's an important life skill.
Walls scoops up the loose puck. Lidstrom. Lidstrom gets called for a two-line offside pass and play is stopped. The slap shot is definitely the glamour shot in hockey, Don.
That it is, but watch how the goalie takes the shine off of this one with a little meat and potatoes net minding.
Fedorov with the puck. Robitaille. One time from the right. Blocked. Brunette. Gaborik gets rubbed off the puck.
Smoked him like an Easter ham.
Yzerman picked it up. Chelios whips a shot. Stick save by Fernandez.
His job is to throw himself in front of a speeding puck. Think about that.
Down. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Solani shoots the puck. Blocked. Breakaway. Joseph denies him. Marchment takes control of the puck. Walls, he gets laid out.
Came in fast and delivered a blast.
Minute of play in the third period.
It's one-on-one. Oates, hard shot. He scores!
Fires it up out of harm's way.
Detroit has really shown its stuff, tough and gritty.
I didn't think they had it in them. Well, sure I did, but that doesn't make for much commentary.
By number 9, Timu Solani, and by
Lidstrom
number 2,
jumps on the loose puck.
Brewer.
Shanahan. Fires! Blocked! Detroit puts its checking line out. Gaborik. Chelios knocks the puck loose.
He just broke the building code violations.
Smolinski takes control. Yager, backhand shot. Brown. Jolta. The Wild come in offside. Roost. Roost shoots the puck. Blocked.
We've got two even teams who will use the OT to try to work the odds in their favor.
A special monthly newsletter and a chance for free tickets.
Welcome
and
back to the
merchandise.
game, everybody.
Jim, I haven't seen this much hard-hitting action since the concession stand.
Let's get back to the game. Ferguson takes possession of the puck. Chatan, slap shot, saved by Fernandez, and he hangs on to the puck. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Lidstrom shoots the puck. Detroit jumps on it. Solani. Yzerman. Minnesota takes over. In all alone. Shoots, scores on a great individual effort.
There's the gift that wraps this one up.
And we're all done here now. Detroit couldn't quite pull it all together in overtime.
The goalie did the best he could, but he was facing a steady barrage of vulcanized rubber. I'm surprised he hasn't got a bad case of puck shock.